to talk about garlic. I've got several pods of garlic here, and you know, I just buy a clove just like this, really tight. That's what you're looking for, tight and white. And I want to show you how I'm going to slice these. So I just take a whole thing and I cut off that little bit of end right there. Some people might not, but I do. And I want to have these sliced. So I just hold it between my two fingers, my thumb and my finger, and just slice it. Hold it firmly and slice it. All right. Now, I'm going to show you how I mince this when you don't have a mincer. Like I actually have a mincer, but if you don't, you just want to take all your little slices here and just cut it into fours maybe, and then you just kind of run your knife through it and chop it up. And that's, you want to get it really fine or chunky, however you like. So that's how you chop garlic. Now I'm going to show you how I actually mince garlic myself. I got a second before that oil is about ready. So I actually have a gadget that is a garlic mincer. Now this takes your garlic pod and you push it through. I'll do a couple of them. And this really makes it teeny tiny. So there you can see you've got your garlic pods, you've got your kind of diced, and then an actual minced, if my husband wants to come take a picture of it. Let me tell you how I actually get these pods out. So I saved a couple over here. So a lot of chefs will tell you to lay it on the board here and mash it with a knife, but sometimes I find that really mashes it too much. So I just kind of twist it like this, and it kind of breaks that skin. Take that little end off, make it a little easier, and it just pops right off. Simple. I'll do another one. Here's another one. Just take the end off, like that, kind of twist it, and you can hear it crackling, and then you can just peel it right off. There's other gadgets to help you peel garlic, but I've tried them all, and you know what, I just rather do it with my hands. I've had the little plastic tube where you roll it in there. They've had things where you're shaking inside of a tube, a thing. All of that unnecessary. Just use your hands. So that's how you peel garlic, how you chop garlic, how you slice it, and how you mince it.
It's a wrap.